Time now for a look at the Emirates ATP Rankings. And the defending champion in Miami, Novak Djokovic, leads the way. In second place, it's Switzerland's Roger Federer. Spain's Rafael Nadal is in third. Two-time Miami Open winner, Great Britain's Andy Murray, is in fourth. Japan's Kei Nishikori sits in fifth, ahead of Milos Raonic, who's in sixth. In the Emirates ATP doubles team rankings, Italian pair Bolelli and Fognini are top. Dodig and Melo behind them in second, while Roger and Takao are third. French team Herbert and Mahut are fourth. Then it's Inglot and Merguez in fifth place, with Bapana and Nesta in sixth. The Bryan brothers are down in 10th.